Hello, my fellow RevOps people. This is Ed King, CEO and founder of Openprise. Today, we're going to talk about the housekeeping aspect of the champion mover process that most people don't realize the importance of linking your contact records. If you haven't heard our series so far on champion mover, please check out the other episodes so far. When a champion, or anybody for that matter, moves on to another company, the best practice for CRM data management is to not just associate the contact record to the new company. Instead, you leave the old contact record where it is, mark the record as no longer at company, then create a new contact record associated with a new company. Now, this is not a perfect solution, as we will discuss next, but it is by far the most robust and scalable solution if you want to have any kind of accurate historical reporting and use your CRM as a system of record. Now, the biggest downside to create a new contact record every time when this happens and when somebody moves on is that you lose the history for that contact. By default, the CRM treats a new contact as a brand new person with no engagement history. Okay? Now, this not only means the sales rep or the new account, for the new account has to figure out who, this new contact is. All your attribution and campaign performance analysis are not aware that the person's engagement history is scattered now across multiple contact records. It may be useful, it may be helpful to think that this situation is as a duplicate record situation, except it is actually by design, right? Now, to fix these shortcomings, you should automate the process of linking all the contact records associated with the same person over time. Now, this is really an advanced aspect of identity resolution. The champion mover process operationalizes this linking of the old contact record with a new one. To make the process scalable, you should think about what is the unique identifier you want to use for this person, for a person. This unique identifier helps to link all the contact and even lead records together to the same identity. Now, before you decide, to generate your own unique ID, consider using just LinkedIn profile URL or even mobile phone number as the unique identifier. For the most part, LinkedIn ID and mobile phone number travel with a person when they move from company to company, especially LinkedIn profiles. Now, in our next episode, we will conclude this series by discussing the ROI of the champion mover solution. In the meantime, please share this episode with a fellow RevOps colleague so we can all get smarter together. See you next time.